Hi viewers, so welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about exercise 2.3 related to linear equation in one variable. So for my previous videos, go through the description box, so there you can find out the links of my previous videos, right? So if you haven't subscribed the channel, so please subscribe and share with your friends if you like the video, right? So let us start exercise 2.3 of linear equation in one variable, right? So in exercise 2.1 we have learned about simple equations. So in this particular exercise we are going to learn how to simplify the equations which contains the variables on both left hand side as well as right hand side, right? So let us see the first question. So question is given as 7x minus 5 is equal to 2x. Now in these type of questions, so what we need to do is, so we need to bring out the like terms onto one side. That means the variable should be present on one side and the constant should be placed onto the other side, right? So if you observe here, so 7x and 2x are nothing but the terms which are containing the variables, and minus 5 is nothing but the constant. Now what we need to do is, we need to transpose this 2x to the left hand side so that both variables will be on the same side, and this minus 5x I need to transpose to the other side. So while transposing, so we know the principle. So what the quantities changes, so 7x is already on the left hand side, so keep as it is, and this 2x is plus 2x. So if you transpose that plus 2x, it becomes minus 2x, which will be equal to, already this minus 5 I have transposed to the other side, then this becomes a plus 5. So 7x minus 5x, so these two are nothing but like terms, so we can directly do the subtraction. So 7x minus 2x is nothing but 5x, so 5x is equal to 5. So from this, x is equal to 5 divided by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is nothing but 1. So from this I am getting the value of x as 1. So this is nothing but how to find the variable x for the given equation, right? Now let us see the second question. So in second question, so what do we have? So we have variable as well as constant on both the sides. So here what we need to do is, so we need to bring out variables to one side and constants to the other side. So in this process, so we are bringing this 2x to left hand side and this minus 12 to right hand side, and whatever the terms that are present, so they will be in their own positions. So if you observe, 5x is already on the left hand side, this plus 2x on transposing becomes minus 2x is equal to, already on right hand side what do we have? We have minus 6, so keep as it is. Next, this minus 12 on transposing, it becomes plus 12. Now from this 5x minus 2x, so the value of 5x minus 2x is nothing but 3x. 3x is equal to, here while doing simplification you need to be careful. So here the bigger number is 12, which is having positive sign, and 6 is having negative sign. So here we need to do subtraction. So 12 minus 6, so 12 minus 6 is nothing but 6. So from this, x is equal to 6 divided by 3. So 6 divided by 3 is nothing but 2. So from this the value of x is 2 units. The value of x is 2, right? Let us move on to the next question. Question number 3. So here also it is in the same as the before problem. So how to solve it? So what I need to do, I need to transpose this variable term to left hand side and this constant minus 3 to right hand side. So then what will happen? So 7p is already on the left hand side, and this 3p which is in the right hand side will transpose as minus 3p to the left hand side, which will be equal to, already 8 is present on the right hand side, so 8 will be written as it is, and this minus 3 which is present will become plus 3 and will be transposed to right hand side. So 7p minus 3p is nothing but 4 times of p, which gives me 8 plus 3 is nothing but 11. So from this p is equal to 11 divided by 4. So this particular concept we have learnt in exercise 1. So 4p in the sense 4 into p. So when into is there, when it is transposed it becomes divided by. So from this the value of p is 11 by 4. Now moving on to question number 4. So here also the same situation, right? So what I am going to do, I am going to transpose this 7m to the left hand side and 9 onto right hand side. So from this what I am going to get, so 8m is already on the left hand side, plus 7m will be transposed as minus 7m, which will be equal to 8 is already on right hand side, this plus 9, so plus 9 will become minus 9. So 8m minus 7m, so 8m minus 7m is nothing but 1 times of m, which I can write it as m. So m is equal to 8 minus 9 is nothing but minus 1, because 9 is greater than 8, and while doing subtraction, so you will be writing the difference and the sign which is present before the biggest number, right? So from this the value of m is nothing but minus 1, right? Let's move on to the next question. So if you observe this, so what I can do here, I can transpose this 2z to the left hand side and this 13 to the right hand side. So how can I write this as 7z is left on the left hand side, so I am writing as it is. So this plus 2z will become minus 2z, which is equal to, already 4 is on right hand side, so write as it is. So this plus 13 will be transposed as minus 13. So 7z minus 2z is nothing but 5 times of z. So 5 times of z is equal to 4 minus 13 is nothing but minus 9. So you do subtraction 13 minus 4, 9, and write down the symbol which is present before the biggest number. So from this what is the value of z? So z is equal to minus 9 divided by 5. So the answer for z is minus 9 by 5. Next question, the same, it is of the same format, right? So what I am going to do, I am going to transpose this 15y to left hand side and this plus 5 to right hand side. Now already 9y is present on left hand side, this plus 15y will be transposed as minus 15y, which is equal to, already minus 1 is present on right hand side, this plus 5 will be transposed as minus 5 to the right hand side. 9y minus 15y, so 9 minus 15 is nothing but minus 6, so minus 6y is equal to minus 1 minus 5, so minus 1 minus 5 is nothing but minus 6. So from this y is equal to minus 6 divided by minus 6. So here you need to understand, so minus 6y is nothing but minus 6 into y. So while transposing, this into will become divided by, so minus 6 by minus 6 is nothing but 1. So from this the value of y is nothing but 1. So y is equal to 1, right? So I hope you have understood this, right? Next, coming to the model which contains brackets, right? So here whenever you are having brackets, so first of all we need to remove those brackets and simplify. Next move on to the question, right? Now first of all what we need to do is, so we need to remove those brackets, we call them as parentheses. So we need to remove those parentheses, right? So how to remove those parentheses? So first of all, so whenever you are having parentheses or brackets, so first of all we need to multiply the term which is outside with the values which is present inside. So this is nothing but distributive property which you have learnt in rational numbers, right? So multiply this 5 with x as well as this 5 with the minus 2. So we need to do multiplication. So 5 into x, is nothing but 5x. So what is the symbol here? So the symbol is minus. So 5 into minus 2 is nothing but minus 10. So already minus is written, so minus 10. Now again we got the question in the previous format, right? So what I am going to do? I am going to transpose this 5x to left hand side and 4 to right hand side. So from this what I am going to get? So 3x minus 5x is equal to, so already minus 10 is present here. So this plus 4 will become minus 4. So 3x minus 5x is nothing but minus 2x, which gives me minus 14. So from this x is equal to minus 14 divided by minus 2. So this minus minus gets cancelled. In 2 table 14 it goes 7 times. So from this I can say that the value of x is 7, right? So here the main thing what we are going to do is we are going to multiply the term with the terms which are present within the brackets, right? So here we are having 2 brackets, right? So individually we need to do, right? So 3 into t, 3 into minus 3. The same way 5 into 2t, 5 into minus 1. Then what I am going to get? So first of all 3t minus, so 3 into 3 is nothing but 9, which is equal to 5 2s are 10t minus 5 1s are 5. Now transpose this minus plus 10t to left hand side and minus 9 to right hand side. So then what I am going to get? So 3t minus 10t is equal to, so already minus 5 is present on right hand side, so minus 9 will become plus 9. So 3t minus 10t is nothing but minus 7t is equal to 9 minus 5. So 9 and minus 5 is nothing but 4. So from this t is equal to 4 by minus 7. So the answer is t is equal to 4 by minus 7. But minus should not be written in the denominator. So either you can write it in the numerator or you can write in the middle, right? So I can write as minus 4 divided by 7. So the value of t is minus 4 by 7, right? So this is one particular model. Next, the same way we can do these problems, right? So 5 into p, 5 into minus 3, 3 into p, 3 into minus 2. So first of all we need to open those brackets. So what I am going to get? 5p minus 15 is equal to 3p minus 6. Now transposing this 3p to left hand side and minus 15 to right hand side. So what I am going to get? 5p minus 3p is equal to already minus 6 plus 15. So 5p minus 3p is nothing but 2p. 15 minus 6 is nothing but 9. So from this p is equal to 9 divided by 2. So here also, so 5 into z, 5 into 3. So 4 into 2z, 4 into 1. So what I am going to get? So 5z plus 15 is equal to 4 2s are 8z plus 4 1s are is 4. Now what I am going to do? I am going to transpose 8z to left hand side and 15 to right hand side. So what I am going to get? 5z minus 8z is equal to 4 minus 15. 5z minus 8z is nothing but minus 3z. So minus 3z is equal to 4 minus 15 is nothing but minus 11. So from this z is equal to minus 11 by minus 3. So this minus minus gets cancelled. So the answer is 11 divided by 3. So the answer is 11 divided by 3. Next, coming to the other model. See here we are having so more number of brackets and more number of terms. So we are having more number of terms on left hand side. So if we are having more number of terms also, no problem, we can easily solve it. So how can you do? So first of all we need to simplify each and every bracket separately, then move on to the solution. Now what I am going to do? So 15 into x is nothing but 15x minus 15 into 1 is 15 plus 4 into x is nothing but 4x plus 4 into 3 is 12 is equal to 2 into 7. So it is nothing but 14 plus 2 into x is 2x. Now what I am going to do is, first of all, I am going to simplify left hand side, and after that I am going to transpose. So 15 plus 4, it is nothing but 19x. So minus 15 plus 12 is nothing but minus 3 is equal to 14 plus 2x. Now can you observe this? This is nothing but simple equation, so which we have started doing, right? Now what I am going to do, I am going to transpose this plus 2x to the left hand side and minus 3 to right hand side. So from this what I can say, 19x minus 2x is equal to, so this is 14, minus 3 will become plus 3. So 19x minus 2x is nothing but 17x is equal to 14 plus 3 is 17. So from this x is equal to 17 divided by 17. So which gives me the answer as 1. So the value of x is nothing but equal to 1. Right? So if we are having more number of brackets also, so we are going to do the same process, right? Next, one more question. So here, so 3 into 5z, so 3 into minus 7, 2 into 9z, 2 into minus 11, 4 into 8z, 4 into minus 7. So first of all we need to open those brackets. So 3 into 5z is nothing but 15z minus, so 3 into 7 is nothing but 21 plus 2 into 9, it is nothing but 18z minus 2 into 11 is nothing but 22 is equal to, with 4 if you multiply 8z it becomes 32z minus 4 7s are 28 minus 111. Now we need to simplify the values which are on the left hand side, and then we need to go for the simplification, right? So 15 plus 18, it is nothing but 33z minus 21 22. So minus 21 minus 22 is nothing but, we need to do addition and then give negative sign. So what is the value? So it is nothing but 43, which gives me, so already on the left hand side I have 32z minus, so these two are having the same sign. So what we need to do, we need to add and keep a negative sign. So what I am going to get, 913. So I am going to get 139, right? Now I am going to transpose the like terms on one side and unlike terms on the other side. Then what I am going to get, so 33z minus 32z is equal to, so already minus 139 is present on left hand side, sorry, right hand side, and this minus 43 if I transpose it becomes plus 43. So 33z minus 32z is nothing but 1z. So 1z I will be writing it as z is equal to, so minus 139 plus 43. So it is nothing but minus, so how much you will get? So 9 minus 3 is nothing but 6. So we are going to get 96. So z is equal to minus 96. So this is nothing but the value of z. Next, moving on to one more question. So what is the given question? So here we are having 2 brackets on both the sides. So on simplifying, so 8x, 8 into minus 3. So here minus is there. Now with this minus I need to multiply this bracket. Next, 2 into x, 2 into 2, minus 5 into x, minus 5 into minus x. Now here we need to take everything carefully, because here minus matters. So this minus plays an important role, so we need to be careful while solving this, right? So first of all multiply this. So what I am going to get, 8 into x is nothing but 8x, 8 into minus 3 is nothing but minus 24. Next, if minus is there, that means it is having minus 1 here. So if I multiply with minus 1, so minus 1 into 6 is nothing but minus 6. Minus 1 into minus 2x minus into minus is nothing but plus, so which gives me 2x is equal to, if I multiply this, so 2x plus 2 2s are 4. Here again minus we have, so while multiplying be careful. So minus 5 into plus 5, which gives me minus 25, minus 5 into minus, which means plus 5x. Now first of all, what we need to do, we need to simplify the terms on left hand side as well as right hand side. So 8x plus 2x is nothing but 10x, minus 24 minus 6 is nothing but minus 30, which is equal to, here also 2x plus 5x is nothing but 7x, 4 minus 25 is nothing but minus 21. Now I need to transpose 7x to left hand side and this minus 30 to right hand side. So 10x minus 7x is equal to, so already what is there on the right hand side, minus 21. This minus 30, if I transpose, it becomes plus 30. Now 10x minus 7x is nothing but 3x, which gives me 30 minus 21 is nothing but 9. So from this, x is equal to 9 by 3, so which gives me 3. So the value of x is 3 here, right? So the value of x is 3. Next, moving on to one more question. So this is nothing but the last question of this exercise, right? So multiply this. So 3 into n, 3 into minus 4, 2 into 4n, 2 into minus 5, 5 into n, 5 into 2. So what I am going to get? So 3n minus 3 4s are 12 plus 2 into 4n is nothing but 8n minus 2 5s are 10 is equal to 5n plus 5 2s are 10 plus 16. Now simplifying the terms on left hand side as well as on right hand side. So what I am going to get? 3n plus 8n is nothing but 11n minus 12 minus 10. So both are having same signs. Simply do addition and keep negative sign is equal to 5n. So only one n term, one variable term is there. So write as it is, plus 10 plus 16 is 26. Now what I am going to do? I am going to transpose 5n and minus 22 on either sides. Then what I am going to get? 11n minus 5n is equal to, already 26 is present, so this minus 22 will be transposed as plus 22. 11n minus 5n is nothing but 6n. So 6n is equal to, so this is nothing but 48. So n is equal to 48 divided by 6. So in 6 table 48, so 8 times. So from this I can say that n is equal to 8. So likewise, if you are having the equations so which are little complicated, so you can solve in this particular manner. So this is all about exercise 2.3. So if you like the video, so please subscribe, share with your friends, so make use of these videos, and the next exercise will be uploaded in the next video. So stay connected to the channel, right? So turn on the notification, so press on the bell icon and select all option so that you can get all the notifications so when I upload the videos. So thank you very much for watching the video. So thank you.